Oh yeah. Alright guys, as you can see from the video, there's a clicking sound coming from my rear. And as you can see right now, I'm not even in my truck. I'm not driving it. I'm actually in my wife's car. And yeah, the Ram's rear is making a clicking sound when turning. I'm talking to my guy, he thinks it's the spider gearing. And yeah, it's not that pretty. I'm not that happy about it. It started happening on, I think it was Saturday, and I started hearing it. I just went to a couple stores, and every turn I heard a little click, and then it did it again, and then Sunday it happened really bad. That's when that video was there on Sunday. Yes, this is a later upload. I haven't been uploading also because my truck's been down, and as if you haven't lived in New Jersey or New York, there's been an excessive heat wave. It's been about high 90s to today will be almost 100 degrees every day. So I'm not, with no truck and with the heat, I didn't get the most any videos out this week. Sorry. I did have a lot of racing plan. I do have a lot of racing plan once I get it fixed, and I'm going to get it fixed soon. But yeah, that's what's going on with the truck. The rear, it could be a spider gear. I got to take the diff case off and see what's going on in there. Tell my mechanic everything. He take a picture. He said, let him know, see what anything's broken. But yeah, it's the rear's going in the truck. It's been making a humming sound from the rear for a while. Basically, in a click. It's been like I've been hearing a small click back there. I thought it was just me, and I was like, oh, there's nothing of it. And it's been doing it for a couple of months actually. When you let it off, you hear a little, and that's it. And I have been hearing a small humming sound. You know what I mean? I didn't think anything of it. I'm like, all right, it's no big deal. But yeah, it's been the rear. Yeah, most likely it's from me racing and beating on it and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, we're going to get it fixed. We're going to get the car up and running. But I had a big plan of getting something really big for the truck. And as of right now, I have to put that plan on hold. It sucks, I know. I really wanted this, but being that it's my daily driver and it's down again 2 times in 3 months, my big mod plan has got to be put on hold for at least, I'd say, another couple of months, maybe till next year. Yeah. I'm upset right now, as you can see. It's pissing me off because I'm down another vehicle again, and I have to borrow my wife's car, take her car to work. I have to pick her up, her and my daughter. She has to get a ride to work from her mom, and my daughter has to take it's a nightmare. So I'm pissed off. But I am looking for another vehicle. I'm looking for more of a daily driver vehicle just to get back and forth to work. God forbid, I race my truck. God forbid if anything happens again and breaks, I have my daily to go back and forth to work. And that means I could put more racing footage out for you guys. And I could do more of just pure Ram footage instead of waiting 4 days because I haven't been to the track or something like that. I can get more footage out, and I want to do more racing anyway. I haven't been racing as much as I like because it is my daily, and it's just been hard because when I race, I like to prep and fully unprep, and I got to go to work the next day. So that's another reason I haven't been racing as much as I want to do it. But with another daily driver, I'm not looking for an expensive car. Obviously, I got to look for something in the very, a cheaper car. I don't have a full-on price yet of what I'm looking for, but I want to look for something as a daily driver, get back and forth to work, a nice reliable car, just so that the Ram can do all racing. I can basically just more of not a race truck, but not a do everything truck where my daughter will be in it. You know what I mean? Every single day after work. So that's the plan right now. We're gonna try and get something going. I know this is it's been a while since I uploaded. Like I said, it's been hot out. I haven't really had any footage. Any footage. I haven't had anything because my truck's been down and it's been 100 degrees and I haven't been under the truck to take the diff off. I was planning on doing it. I want to do it tomorrow, but it's supposed to be the hottest day of the year, 101 degrees on Saturday. If you live in the New Jersey, Philadelphia area, yeah, it's going to be 100 degrees and I got to probably take it apart anyway. Tonight I'm hoping to go look for another vehicle, and hopefully everything goes well and I can get a daily driver, and maybe I'll do videos on that. I am looking in the Mopar range. Obviously it's not going to be an old piece of crap. I want to have something decent, So I am going to look, as I am a Mopar enthusiast. I love Mopars, and I want to have something, you know, possibly that I can do maybe a little bit of sorry, a little bit of videos with. It'd be fun. Yes. So that's my plan as of right now. I know it's been a crazy process with the Ram getting it fixed and then breaking again. It sucks because the diff is gone. I'm pretty 99% sure it's the diff. And the truck is drivable. I can go up, back, straight up, back, with no problem at all. It doesn't have any problem. It's when you turn that wheel, you hear that click, and then a bang. You feel the bang. But other than that, there's nothing wrong with it. But we got to get that fixed, and we want to get that fixed as fast as possible so we can get back to the track, get the best Ram racing footage on YouTube. That's how I feel. I feel no one on YouTube has better racing footage than me, or does better Ram content. I don't want to say that. A lot of guys do a lot of great Ram content. Probably more racing footage because I like to race, and I give you guys the best pointers I can on how to make your Ram fast. That's my goal. I want everyone, you know, if you got a Ram, my goal is to help you succeed in making it fast. Go to the track and have a fun time like I do. Just don't break anything. I mean, you know, when you race your car, that's the point. Once you start modding it more, anything can happen. Anything can break, and that's the point of, like, you know, the risks of modding and racing your daily or any vehicle, really. And the more mods you get, the more risk you have of breaking because you're putting down more power. And I'm putting down a good amount more power. You know what I mean? Especially with my stall, my cam, and my full bolt-ons. And, you know, I have a lot of mods, and I risk it. This didn't happen racing. This was just daily driving, but it probably went from all the racing, but it didn't actually break driving. It actually broke going to CVS from my house. Five-minute ride, not even a 5-minute ride from my house. Good thing I wasn't far. I made it home and called my guy and told him what was going on, and he said, Nick, most likely you're deaf, and nothing I can do about it. And he's like, don't drive it. He's like, don't, you know what I mean? So put it in the driveway, and I told my wife, look, I gotta take your car again. The rear's going in my truck. She wasn't happy about it because I'm still taking her car to work every day. I gotta pick her up, and it's just not been the greatest. But we're gonna try and get another vehicle on the channel. I don't know what it is going to be yet. I have a couple in mind, but I'm going to try to get it in the Mopar area. But there are other vehicles I do like that are not Mopar, but I do want to get a Mopar because I like all the Mopars. But for my price range that I'm looking at and what I want, there's not as much out there. You know what I mean? I can't go out and get a brand new car. I just don't have that kind of funds right now. You know what I mean? That means I'd have 3 brand new cars. Yeah, I can't afford that, you know. And that's where we're going to go from there. So as of right now, we're going to get the Ram fixed. I'm going to try and get it fixed within the week. That's my absolute goal. If I can take a look at it Saturday or tonight or tomorrow, open the rear case up, possibly order the parts. Probably I'm hoping Saturday, order the parts. Hopefully they can be here during the week. I can take it to my man Steve, or he can come. I don't know if he's probably going to have to come here and do some of it. I might have to get it towed there for him to finish it. I don't know. And we're going to go from there. That's the whole plan. And yeah, let's hope everything goes well. We can get the truck up and running within the week. I can't wait another month, obviously, to get the Ram like I did last time. It was down a month. Basically, because I was in New York also. So I'm hoping the week we can get the Ram up and running and get to the track. Because I got vehicles I was trying to race. Got a lot of good racing footage coming up. And, you know, the fall weather's coming up, and I want to see what the Ram can do. It's doing mid to low 12s in friggin' 90-degree heat. Come fall, I think it can run a 12. I think it possibly run 12.1. It's going to run 12.2, 12.1 easily. It ran low 12.5 in 90-degree weather. So, you know what I mean? It's running better than it did when I first got it dialed in March. So it was running 12.4s in March. But when it was running 12.4s in March, it was spinning. I wasn't even getting full traction, but I think it's more dialed in now. I think it's got, sorry, I'm driving on my way to work this morning. I think it's more dialed in now than it was in March. So we're going to go from there. And we're going to see what we can do and try to get the truck up and running. Like I said, I'm going to look for another daily, and that'll be, you know, I'll show that to you guys as soon as I can. I'm going to go tonight, or I'm going to try to go tonight. I can't, you know what I mean, try to go tonight and see what we can do and do the best I can for you guys. But yes, truck's down. Don't worry, it'll be back up and running in no time. As you know, till the next one. Peace.